So when do you need to hire a car accident lawyer for your wreck in Fort Worth, Texas? Well, you need to do it pretty quick. A wreck occurs. You need to deal with the scene. You need to call the police. You need to document. You need to take photos. And you need to deal with your injuries. A lot of our clients end up going to the hospital or going to a doctor right after. But once the dust settles, you need to really think to yourself, do I need a lawyer? And the answer is yes, if you were in a wreck that was not your fault and you're hurt. And I define hurt as needing medical attention. If you need medical attention, if you're thinking, I need to go to the doctor about this, my neck, my back hurts, then yes, you need a lawyer. And yes, you need a lawyer sooner rather than later. We like to be contacted within the first week after a wreck. Why? Because we can defeat the insurance company if we're hired then and start doing our work. Part of our work after the free consultation, after explaining everything, is to get our clients into doctors. There are a lot of doctors that will not treat you after a wreck unless you have a lawyer. Even if you have health insurance, it doesn't matter. Doctors will not see you. If you call your primary care doctor, there's a high chance, I'm talking 90% chance, they won't even see you after a wreck. And then you're sitting there not going to the doctor. You're hurt, but you're not going to the doctor. If that situation extends more than a couple of weeks where you haven't gone to the doctor after a wreck, that's too long. If you call us a month after the wreck and you still haven't seen the doctor, we're not going to be able to take your case. Why? It's because there's a gap in medical treatment. The insurance companies pounce on that. They say, well, if you were hurt, you would have gone to the doctor. That might be true, but they use it as an absolute. They say, if you don't go to the doctor soon after the wreck, then we're not going to pay your claim. And we see that time and time again. That's why we like to get contacted early, within the first week, because we'll set you up with doctors, give you referrals, where you go to really good doctors that can get you better, get you back on your feet, get you attending those soccer games, get you back to mowing your lawn, going to work, whatever you're missing out on. These doctors can help you get better to get you back on your feet and get back to it. If you delay, a lot of bad things are going to happen. If you delay hiring a lawyer, you're not going to probably get into a doctor. That gap's going to come up. The insurance company's going to seize on that gap and not pay you. Then you're going to try to find a lawyer later when you realize they've denied or devalued your claim, and you're not going to be able to find a lawyer because you've waited too long because this gap has developed. So it's really important that after you've been in a wreck and after you deal with the immediate things, going to the emergency room, dealing with the police after the wreck, then call a lawyer. Call a good board-certified lawyer that has good reviews, research, and call a lawyer that can help you out. Here at my law firm, we are used to handling calls. I don't want to be called from the scene, okay? Focus on what's at the scene. But once you get home and the dust settles, give us a call. I don't care if it's 24/7. Let us know. We will talk to you. We'll give you your options. This first phone call is free. It doesn't cost a dime. And if you're not at fault and you're hurt, then we can help you. And we're gonna get a plan. We're gonna tell you from the get-go what the plan is, what you need to do as the injured party to get well. We'll tell you what we're gonna do, and we're gonna get you back on your feet. We're gonna get you well. We're gonna get you the doctors that will help you get well, and we're gonna make the claim. We're gonna succeed, and we're gonna get you all these medical bills paid for. We're gonna make sure your car gets repaired. We're gonna get you back on your feet and get you compensation in the end. All that can happen if you call early. So really long answer, but call fast. Definitely within the first week after a wreck. Do it as early as you can before things get messed up and before the insurance company builds up their case and gets the ammunition to devalue or worse yet, deny your case. So call soon.